Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Julie May. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. I'm single. I am graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biological Science, and I have already earned 39 units in graduate studies, taking Master of Arts in Education, major in educational management. I like traveling. I love taking photos. I love pets. I like playing musical instrument, like for example, flute, piano, kalimba, and guitar. Mm, I have 5 dogs and 3 cats. I have a total of 5 years of teaching experience here in the Philippines. And in my first year of teaching, I handle grade 5 to 10 teaching science. So because of pandemic, our school was forced to close, which is why I lost my job. Then I moved to my aunt's place in the province. During that time, I tutored a total of 5 kids. My niece, and I took care of my niece who were special children. And also I teach preschool, elementary, and junior high school student. And also, um, after that, I went back to my hometown and I applied as a high school teacher at a private institution, and I worked there for 3 years, handling grade 7 to senior high school student. Then when I finished my contract, I was appointed as a substitute teacher in public school for 6 months, and now I'm currently volunteered kindergarten and elementary teacher. So I also tutored some kids, a lot of kids, and I I also went to their home and home tutored them. So from this experience, I became more flexible in handling students' behavior, and as I provide an environment which are conducive for learning, that engages their potential to discover things, work independently, and collaboratively. So employer, my future employer will, my future employer can trust me because I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. I am dedicated to my work, and I am willing to extend my time and service related to work. And if I am hired, I can help you with some basic house chores, and I will take care of your children and pets. And I have a lot of patience, and I love children, so you don't need to worry. I promise that I will obey all the house rules, and I am willing to learn